Cooksir 4-zone induction hob 3500W built-in electric cooktop with plug, grill combination zone, slider touch control, 59 centimeters, 220 volts, easy installation. Upgrade your kitchen with the Cooksir 4-zone induction hob, the perfect combination of style, performance, and ease of use. With a compact 59 centimeters built-in design and a convenient plug-in setup, this induction hob brings high-performance cooking to small and medium kitchens without the need for professional wiring. Featuring 4 powerful induction zones, including a combination zone for grilling and intuitive slider touch controls, the Cooksir hob gives you precise, flexible control over your cooking, whether you're simmering, boiling, frying, or grilling. Key features: 4 independent cooking zones. Cook multiple dishes at once with 4 responsive induction zones, designed for everything from quick boils to low simmers. Ideal for families, couples, or anyone who loves multitasking in the kitchen. Combination zone for grill or large pans. Need more space for your grill plate or oversized cookware? The bridge zone feature allows you to combine 2 cooking zones into one large rectangular area, perfect for grilling or cooking with larger pans. Slider touch control. Take full control of each cooking zone with a sleek, user-friendly slider panel. Adjust temperatures effortlessly with the swipe of a finger, allowing for precise heat control with 9 power levels. Plug-and-play installation. Unlike many high-powered induction hobs, the Cooksir 3500W model comes with a plug, making it easy to install and perfect for apartments, rented homes, or kitchens without hard wiring. Simply plug into a compatible 220-volt socket and start cooking. Energy-efficient induction heating. Induction technology delivers heat directly to your cookware, not the hob surface, resulting in faster heating, lower energy use, and cooler kitchen environments. Only compatible with magnetic cookware, e.g., stainless steel or cast iron. Safety features built in. Enjoy peace of mind with a child safety lock, residual heat indicator, and auto shut-off. The hob is designed for everyday safety and usability, making it ideal for family households. Elegant and easy to clean. The black ceramic glass surface is heat-resistant, scratch-resistant, and super easy to clean with just a damp cloth or included scraper, maintaining its sleek look with minimal effort. Product specifications. Dimensions: 59 centimeters W x 52 centimeters D x 6.1 centimeters H. Cutout size: 56 centimeters x 49 centimeters. Power supply: 220 volts, 50 Hz. Total power output: 3500W. Installation: plug-in, no hard wiring required. Controls: slider touch, special feature. Combination zone for grill. Ideal for small to mid-size kitchens, apartment living or rental properties, home chefs who want precise temperature control, energy-conscious households, quick and easy installations. What's in the box? Cooksir 4-zone induction hob, plug-in model, user manual, mounting kit, cleaning scraper. Cook smart, save energy, elevate your kitchen with Cooksir. Bring professional-grade cooking to your countertop with the Cooksir induction hob, fast, efficient, and beautifully designed for the modern home.